finally here. Our NFAB rock sliders. Man, it's a long box. And we're about to open it right now. All right, so this is how it looks like, all opened up. Oh wow, this is so cool. Wow, pretty heavy too. All right, so this is how it looks like uncovered. So these NFAB steps were actually made to order, because with our other NFAB, we just picked it up from a warehouse at 4 Wheel Parts. So this is cool. Freshly made to order. Look at that. It's still shiny too. Sweet. All right, and this is the hardware and instructions right here. All right, guys, so this is it. I'm going to miss our old step.
We're gonna miss it.
Our old side step did its job. Now we're gonna put the heavy duty ones for rock crawling or a harder trail. Oh, thank God for the goggles.
Yeah, guys, we invested on some goggles because every time we work underneath, all the dust and mud are getting inside our eyes. So
A little bit lighter, huh?
yeah.
All right, all done. Before shot, I'm gonna miss our old side step. After shot, right there.
Now there's no more hanging thing here step.
Yeah, now
It's
there's no
now
more hanging.
all
Yeah,
flush.
we get more clearance now too.
Yeah.
More clearance, and we still get a stepper. So there it is, right there, guys. So right now it's been what, 30 minutes? 45 minutes? 45 minutes, right?
Alright, guys, we only have how many bolts is still?
Just two more,
Two
that's it.
more. Now we have more clearance now. It changed the aesthetics
Big time.
of the car.
And not just that, but it's for protection.
Yeah. Like, I mean, the side step with like that drop down step is really nice. But then if you're trying to hit like some trails that have like big rocks, or if
Yeah.
there's like small narrow trails that are like you're trying to not hit anything, so you need to have all of those clearances. So this will help us with those kind of trails.
All right, we are all done. And
Yeah.
there it is, our new rock sliders. Gives us more and higher clearance. And we could now slide through the rocks if ever.
The only thing is I need to know if
Or go try jumping.
oh, do if it's now that I need to jump now, huh?
Oh, you have to jump now?
Oh, no, it's just higher.
Just a little bit higher?
Yeah, it's just higher.
All right. How's it feel? Is it more stable or?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's actually stable. You can stand on it. How about in the back? Here.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, this is so cool.
So these are the tools that we used. We used a half driver, an extender, and a 5/8. What we do is we just try to fit it. So we fit it. We only used this like twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
the-
it wasn't necessary. Yeah, so this is the half impact drivers. All right,
So
so
guys, look.
this
What-
is from Cleghorn, huh?
Yeah, this is from
From the
Cleghorn.
chute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
From that crazy canyon
Yeah.
looking thing. All right.
That was when we were trying to pivot
Uh-huh.
and trying to
there's-
avoid the big rock.
There's some more here.
Yeah.
Wow.
So I remember this. This
Uh-huh.
This is in the passenger side.
Passenger side.
Yeah,
Okay.
passenger backside.
Now let's do the other side, the driver's side.
The driver's side. This is the front.
Okay, let's start from there.
So I
This
think
is from Bronco Knoll now, huh?
Yeah, I think this is where you hit from Bronco Knoll.
Yep. Intermediate route or the hard route?
I think this is the
All of them?
Yeah.
Wow. And then this one too.
Yeah. He's gonna try it.
So before it was just up to here.
Yeah.
Now just
Yeah.
So I'm like 5'4", guys. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's cool, right?
Yeah. Oh, and then you could put your feet in here
Uh-huh.
just in case you're gonna fall.
Oh yeah, it will
Yeah, I'll support you.
support you.